Hello everybody, welcome to Astraeakeva. I'm Ao. In today's video, I'm doing day 166 of my 365 days of art. So in today's artwork, I decided to do something that I also enjoy doing, which was to draw some backgrounds, fantasy backgrounds. I really like drawing. Well, it's almost been a year since I've done something like this. So it was a fun process. I mean, I really have nothing to complain about, especially these past few days, I should say. My entire art process hasn't been that tedious, as well as my work. I do work outside of this, so I do a lot of graphic design. So yeah, the process has been good. I'm not saying that my life is like perfect and everything that I plan works out the way I plan, but what I'm saying is that maybe my mindset has changed, and I tend to just follow things through and finish my work that I need to finish basically. So yeah, that's kind of, I don't know why I'm talking about it, but I don't mind sharing my life with my viewers on YouTube or anything like that. So that's kind of why I'm open about talking about these things. I decided to draw this background after I saw a YouTuber, I forgot her name. I'm such a bad person, but I just saw someone on YouTube, or it was on Instagram. She drew these backgrounds, and I just thought maybe I should just draw it, and it's a fun process. It wasn't that difficult for me. It did kind of made me think, draw this on this layer, draw that on this layer, you know, and all of that. But at the end of the day, I kind of had creative license to just draw whatever or paint whatever I felt like painting. So as you notice, I just went with the flow with this entire painting for today. I didn't think too much. I didn't spend a lot of time wondering if it's perfect enough. I was watching Netflix and painting, so yeah, there was nothing much I could do. I could think about other ideas and stuff that I had. So it was a peaceful art piece, basically. But yeah, that is all for today's video. I'm curious to know how other people do their art. Do they do it like, I need it to look a specific way, or do they just go with the flow? I just wonder. But yeah, if you like this type of content, and if you would want me to do more drawings like this, please feel free to leave a comment below. And I hope you guys enjoy my videos, my daily art, as well as my records. I am going to do some painting videos, especially still life painting. I haven't done that in a while as well, so I want to do that. And tutorials are up on Patreon. What else? Right now on tier 2 we are painting character, and so I'm slowly going through the process of painting this character. And if you want to join, it's more like a course rather than a one full video. I'm uploading videos piece by piece, showing you guys how to paint a particular character and how I came up with the character and all of that. So you can check that out on my Patreon tier 2. I am creating content for tier 3 as well, so feel free to check that out. Yeah, if you want to help me reach 1,000 subscribers, please feel free to subscribe, like, share, comment, to help my channel grow and just for me to work in peace of mind, basically. But yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the week. It's Wednesday. Have a fantastic rest of the week. Things might be difficult, but there is light at the end of the tunnel. So have a fantastic rest of the week, everybody. Bye bye.